Claude just released an update to their desktop app, making it even more powerful than before. Not only have they launched a way for Claude to control your actual computer, including browsing the web with mouse actions and typing, but it's also added a mobile to desktop connection, meaning you can control your computer from your phone. Let's jump in. Starting with Claude taking over your computer. Here I've got open a desktop session, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to get the most recent messages from WisprFlow and add it to a new Google Doc. So I'm going to say let's go, and it's going to go through step by step, taking over this screen, copying that text and pasting it in a new browser session and grabbing a Google Doc to post it in. We can see that it's loading several tools here to actually go through those steps. But these aren't pre-installed things that I've added. It's going to literally find the correct programs that it needs, ask for permission to actually open those and navigate to them, and then grant it, and now it's taking control. So I've got both my hands up, and you can see it's opened up WisprFlow, which is a desktop app, dictation app, and it's grabbing the text from my most recent message. From here, it should next open a new browser session, specifically a Google Doc, and post it in. You can see around the screen right now, it's flashing orange to kind of highlight that Claude is in control of my computer. I'm just going to scroll up for a second and see it connecting with the Chrome browser. It's actually doing this behind the scenes. We can see that it's now opening this up. So I'm going to just do some rearranging, and there it is. So we didn't actually see it because it was hidden behind, but it happened. But it was clearly there. So this is the new Google message. Let's see if this message, which exists inside Google Flow, can get added to a new Google Doc. And that was the message that I sent 20 minutes ago. To continue showing this power, we can ask Claude to improve the document and give 5 reasons why you might want to use WisprFlow. Okay, so now I'll focus on in this pane, and I'm not going to touch the computer again, and hopefully Claude is going to start editing that. And you can see here it's already picked up the browser instance for this document based on this session, and any moment now it's going to start moving the cursor, or at least typing the typing cursor. So here it is, fully interactive. It's running its processes in the background and controlling this in the foreground, hands-free. So it's clearly kind of searched the web, understood why WisprFlow might be a good tool for people on their computer, and now it's putting that in the Google Doc for me, all without me typing anything once I've actually prompted it in Claude Cowork. Pretty impressive. From here, I'm going to switch to controlling Claude via my phone. I'm going to move into the dispatch section of Cowork and have this pair with the Claude app on my phone. And as it's a new session, I've asked it to find my document on WisprFlow, and it says it's done that. So I can now move to this, and on my phone, I'm going to ask it to bold the best reason and rename the document. So I've just sent through this request on my phone. Now, given my computer is on and connected through dispatch, the Claude browser is going to get activated once again, and ultimately we can see that it is active, and now hopefully it's going to rename the document and also select the best reason to use WisprFlow as per the instructions we've given it here. So it's selected number 3, selected everything, and now ideally we see either the cursor go up or it knows the hotkeys and just does it. There's the bolding, and now it's clicked up there and it's going through the renaming instruction, 5 reasons to use WisprFlow. Perfect. So pretty cool. All from my phone, access my computer so long as it's on. Now these features inside of Claude just came out in the last 24 hours, so they're not perfect, and frankly, it's a bit slow. But overall, I think it's pretty exciting to actually be able to control your computer from your phone. It's something that I've worked on in the past in previous videos, and nice to see that Claude is trying to actually enable this itself. Hopefully these examples, while basic, give you a pretty good indication of what you might be able to do in your business or your personal life, thanks to Claude.